Okay, we start. Oh, sorry.
Blue.
The blue one. Okay, so let's use the blue one. Okay, so the rules still same. If you can read in yourself, we move two boxes, and teacher help, we move one boxes, okay? So the first sentence, can you read this word for me?
Mom, Dad, and I are on a ship.
Okay, good job. Mom, Dad, and I are on the ship. We move two boxes. 1, 2. Okay, another words. Can you read this sentence for me?
The ship is at dock.
Okay, good job. The ship is at dock. Okay, we move another two boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so next sentence, let's read this word.
We are on the deck.
Okay, good job. We are on the deck. Okay, we move another two boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so next, can you read this word for me?
The ship goes
Chuck.
chuck, chuck, chuck.
Okay, good job. The ship goes chuck, chuck, chuck. Okay, so we move in one boxes. 1. Okay, so next, can you read this word for me?
I wish the ship is with us.
Okay, good job. I wish Chuck, the chip, is with us. Okay, we move another two boxes. 1, 2. Okay, so next, can you read this word for me?
I miss Chuck the chip.
Okay, good. I miss Chuck, the chimp. We move another two boxes. 1, 2. Okay, good job. We got the finish line.